Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nefertiti, the Corny Rainbow, and today I'm going to be sharing my sewing space with you guys. This is a really quick tour, and I'm not going to go like in super detail about everything in my space. I just wanted to show you guys how it's set up. Let's go. Alright, so this is my pattern drawer, and I like to have them organized by pattern type. So for this top drawer, I have my Vogue patterns, some of my vintage Vogue patterns here. You can see the larger ones. And I like to keep them in numerical order. This one being one of my all-time favorites that I did get from my mom, and she's probably never going to get that back. But it is a classic Oscar de la Renta vintage pattern, and one of my most valuable patterns. Then I have more Vogue, newer Vogues here, and Vogue. And then this is my Nomi section. So we have my patterns here, and then other Nomi designers as well. And I have a little bit more space to grow. In the second drawer, I have my men's patterns, and there are more Nomi patterns in here as well, some Nomi menswear. And then I also like to store like my lace for bra making and undergarments in here. So lace and all of the things for bra making. Here I have tops, shirts, and yeah, shirts and shirt dresses in this area, in this row. And then in this row I have my jackets and coats. So when I need a nice coat pattern to pull out, I'll just go through this section here. And this bottom one is where I have my PDF patterns. And in this drawer, I have dresses in this row here, mostly jumpsuits. In this section, I have my sets. So anything two-piece is here. And then here I have like my blazer jackets and just jackets, not coats, but like, you know, more sportswear. Second drawer, I have another row for dresses with room to grow. Some older dress patterns in there as well. And then this is where I have some undergarment, bra, undies, pajamas, swimsuits, workout clothes, all in this section here. And then in this section I have my bottoms, so skirts. And then in this section I have my pants. And then the bottom drawer is my specialty patterns. So like wedding dresses or, you know, bustiers and corsets and things like that. And then this is my vintage row. So these are all of my vintage patterns. And then here are some baby and miscellaneous patterns there. And then my costume patterns. Also have random things like a yoga pillow, curtains, hats, bags, doggy clothes. That is it for my patterns. I like to hang my hats up. I am a hat girl. So this is also my feature wall. But these are all my patterns so far. And then my catalogs here. All right, and that is it for the tour. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about any of the items that I have in my sewing room, like what is that? Where did I purchase it? Where did I get it? Drop me a comment below and I'll get you the details if I can. Until next time, peace.